let's learn how to make the adorable Picot stitch together. A Picot consists of 3 chains, so let's go ahead and make those. Then insert the hook into the back bar of the very first chain that you've made. And make a slip stitch just like this. Catch the yarn and pull it through the back bar, as well as the loop on your hook. Now you've made a Picot. Make a single crochet into the next stitch to anchor the Picot. And voila! I prefer to have some space between the picots, so in this example we've crocheted 4 more single crochets before we make another Picot. But of course you can do whatever you prefer. So let's do that again. Let's chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. And now we're gonna insert the hook into the back bar of the first chain that you've made, this one over here. And we're gonna make a slip stitch just like this. We're gonna take the yarn, we're gonna catch it and pull it through the back bar, as well as the loop on the hook. And there it is. Now we've made a Picot. Remember to make a single crochet in the next stitch so that we can anchor the Picot. And that's all. Pretty easy, pretty simple, and pretty cute.